लोमा
लोमा
दंता
दंता
नखा
नखा
त्वचो
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 दंता
दंता
नखा
नखा
लोमा
लोमा
केसा
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 लोमा
लोमा
नखा
नखा
दंता
दंता
त्वचो
त्वचो
अनिच्छ
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 अनिच्छ.
अनिच्छ.
All these are
All these are
impermanent.
impermanent.
So
So
I am shaving my head
I am shaving my head
because
because
I have to move forward
I have to move forward
as a Dhamma student
as a Dhamma student
in robes.
in robes.
Thank you. Sadhu,
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 sadhu.
sadhu.
हे पुढे कर. This is the first Buddhang Namami. Then the second Dhammang Namami. And it written that will be second finished. Third Sangham Namami. Okay.
आप भी वैसे करो.
बोलो कोई बोलो.
मैं बोल रही हूँ.
Together.
संघं नमामि.
अब आप ये पकड़िए. नो.
ओकास अहं भन्ते पबज्जं याचामि द्वितीयम्पि अहं भन्ते पबज्जं याचामि तृतीयम्पि अहं भन्ते पबज्जं याचामि.
नाउ ये आप
मेरे हाथ में लेना.
सब दुःख निसरण निब्बाण सच्चिकर्णत्वाय इमं गासाव गहेत्वा पब्बाजेत मं बनते अनुकंपं उपादाय. द्वितीयम्पि सब दुःख निसरण निब्बाण सच्चिकर्णत्वाय इमं गासाव गहेत्वा पब्बाजेत मं बनते अनुकंपं उपादाय. तृतीयम्पि सब दुःख निसरण इमं कासाव निब्बाण सच्चिकर्णत्वाय इमं कासाव गहेत्वा पब्बाजेत मं बनते अनुकंपं उपादाय. आदरणीय सभी दुखों तार
से निस्तार
और निर्वाण के साक्षात्कार के लिए आदरणीय अनुकंपा करके इस कासाय को लेकर मेरी धम्मपुत्री को प्रवज्जित करे. 3 बार वंदन करो. खालून मध्ये गेलं पाहिजे. सब दुःख निसरण निब्बाण सच्चिकर्णत्वाय एतं कासाव दत्वा पब्बाजेत मं बनते अनुकंपं उपादाय
उपादाय
द्वितीयम्पि
तृतीयम्पि
सर्वदुःखनिसरणं
सर्वदुःखनिवारणं
निब्बान
निब्बानं
सच्चीकरणत्थाय
सच्चिदानन्दाय
एतं
एतं
कासाव
दासानं
दत्वा
तत्त्वा
पपाजेत
प्रभाचेतं
मंगबन्ते
मङ्कन्ते
अनुकंपं
अनुकम्पम्
उपादाय
उपादाय
तृतीयम्पि
तृतीयम्पि
सर्वदुःखनिसरणं
सप्तदुःखनिवारणं
निब्बान
निब्बानं
सच्चीकरणत्थाय
सच्चिदानन्दाय
एतं
एतं
कासाव
कासाव
दत्वा
दत्त्वा
पपाजेत
प्रभाचेतं
मंगबन्ते
मङ्कन्ते
अनुकंपं
अनुकम्पम्
उपादाय
उपादाय
to annihilate
or to annihilate
all the sufferings
all the sufferings
and
and
get nibbana.
get nibbana.
Venerable,
Venerable,
please give me
please give me
the robes
the robes
and
and
take me forward
take me forward
by giving me
by giving me
pabajja.
pabacha.
You put your hands like that. Oh. Like this. अभी ये पहनने के बाद में बोलना है कि बाद में बोलना है?
Ban. द्वारथेन मय्यङ्कतं सब अपराधं खमतु मे भन्ते तृतीयम्पि ओका. Please excuse me, Venerable.
I respect you
I respect you
because
because
you are the protector of
you are the protector of
morality.
morality.
So please forgive me
So please forgive me
for any crime
for any crime
done by me.
done by me.
ओकास अहं भन्ते तीसरणेन सद्दिं पबज्जादशशीलं धम्मं याचामि अनुगहं कृत्वा शीलं देथ मे भन्ते. Please excuse me, Venerable.
Please excuse me, Venerable.
Again,
Again,
no crime
no crime
should happen from me.
should happen from me.
So please give me
So please give me
3 refugees
3 refugees
with
with
10
10
Pabajja ordination. Pabajja
Pabacha
ordination precepts
precepts.
and also for 3 refugees.
Yes.
Okay, and if you know this, you won't make any crime if you know all these things. So repeat what I say. Namo tassa
Namo tassa
bhagavato arahato
bhagavato arahato
samma sambuddhassa.
samma sambuddhassa.
Namo tassa
Namo
dhammang saranang gacchami
dhammang saranang gacchami
sanghang saranang gacchami
sanghang saranang gacchami
dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
titiyampi
Adiyami
sikkhapadang samadhiyami
abhammacharya veramani
abrahmacharya veramani
sikkhapadang samadhiyami
sikkhapadang samadhiyami
musavada veramani
musavada veramani
sikkhapadang samadhiyami
sakurupa
rajata
rajita
patigahana
utikahana
veramani
veramani
sikkhapadang
sikkhapadang
samadhiyami.
samadhiyami
Sadhu,
sadhu
sadhu,
sadhu
sadhu. Will English? Okay, you repeat. I pay respect to
I I pay respect to
all knowledgeable ones,
all knowledgeable ones,
my parents,
my parents,
my teachers,
my teachers,
and all Shramanas.
and all shamanas.
I pay respect to
I pay respect to
all knowledgeable ones,
all knowledgeable ones,
my parents,
my parents,
my teachers,
my teachers,
and all Samanas.
and all shamanas.
I pay respect to
I pay respect to
all knowledgeable ones,
all knowledgeable ones,
my parents,
my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all Samanas.
and all shamanas.
I take refuge in
I take refuge in
knowledge.
knowledge.
I take refuge in
I take refuge in
right path.
right path.
I take refuge in
I take refuge in
friendly union.
friendly union.
Second time,
Second time.
I take refuge in
I take refuge.
time.
Second time.
I take refuge in
I take refuge in
friendly union.
friendly union.
Third time,
Third time.
I take refuge in
I take refuge in
knowledge.
knowledge.
I take refuge in
I take refuge in
right path.
right path.
I take refuge in
I take refuge in
friendly union.
friendly union.
I shall not
I shall not
quarrel
quarrel
or fight.
or fight.
I shall not
I shall not
touch others' things
touch others' things
without their permission.
without their permission.
I shall not
I shall not
go to the place
go to the place
from where
from where
I won't get any knowledge.
I won't get any knowledge.
I shall not speak lie.
I shall not speak lie.
I shall not abuse.
I shall not abuse.
I shall not drink liquor
I shall not drink liquor
or any intoxicants.
or any intoxicants.
And I shall not go to the place
And I shall not go to the place
where
where
all these intoxicants are provided.
these intoxicants are provided.
I shall
I shall
not eat
not eat
when I am not hungry.
when I'm not hungry.
I shall not
I shall not
entertain myself
entertain myself
from
from
dancing,
dancing,
singing,
singing,
and music.
and music.
I shall not
I shall not
use
use
the garlands,
Garlands.
ornaments,
ornaments
and all this perfumes
and all these perfumes
for my beauty.
for my beauty.
I shall not use. I shall not sit
I shall not sit
on a seat
on a seat
which may increase
may increase
my ego
my ego
within me.
within me.
I shall not sleep
I shall not sleep
on the bed
on the bed
which may increase
which may increase
laziness within me.
laziness within me.
I shall not accept
I shall not accept
gold or silver
gold or silver
or any valuable things
or any valuable things
in donations.
in donations.
Sadhu,
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 sadhu.
sadhu.
Bow 3 times. 3 times bow. Now she is saying, you repeat. This is
उपाध्यायो
Upachayo,
में भन्ते
me phante,
हो ही हो ही
gohi,
हो ही
Patirupa.
उपाध्यायो
Upachayo,
में भन्ते
me phante,
हो ही
That, Venerable, please be my teacher.
Tansa,
मकस
Nagasa,
वाता
Vata,
तपसिरी
Tapasi,
सपफु
Sapafi,
फस्सानं
Hasana,
पटिघाताय
Patisataya,
यावदेव
Yavadeva,
हिरिकोपिन
Hirikopin.
पटिच्छाद
Patichara,
नत्थं
Nathang.
I know
I know
why I am taking the robes.
why am I taking the robes.
These robes
These robes
will help me
will help me
to protect myself
to protect myself
from
from
the winter
the wind, the sun rays
in summer
in summer,
and all the
and all the
mosquitoes
mosquitoes,
and all these small creatures,
and all these small creatures.
and also
And also,
I'm wearing this
I'm wearing this
to
to
protect myself
protect myself
from
from
showing off
showing off
my
my
gender.
gender.
Dress to protect, and this is a kind of dress because it shows that you are wearing a uniform, which is the uniform of a Dhamma student. Okay, now you are entering and becoming a Dhamma student. So why you are having this
Pindapata.
Pindapata, you say after.
पटिसंखा
Patisankha,
योनिसो
Yoniso,
पिंडपातं
Pintapata,
पटिसेवामि
Patisevami,
नेवदवाय
Nevadvaya,
न मदाय
Namadaya,
न मंडनाय
Tamandanaya,
न विभूषणाय
Navipusanaya,
यावदेव
Yavadeva,
इमस्स
Imasa,
कायस्स
Kayasa,
ठितिया
Titiya,
यापनाय
Yapanaya,
विहिंसु
Vihinsu,
परतिया
Paratiya,
ब्रह्मचर्या
Brahmacharya,
नुग्गहाय
Nukahaya,
इति
Iti,
पुराणञ्च
Puranancha,
वेदनं
Vedanam,
पटिहंखामि
Patihankhami,
नवच्च वेदनं
Navachavedanam,
उपादेशामि
Upadesami,
यात्रा च मे
Yatrachami,
भविष्यति
Uvisati,
अन्वज्जता च
Anavachata,
ता च फासु विहारो फासु
Pasu,
विहारो चाति
Jati.
I have this Pindapat with me
I have this Pindapat with me
to
to
get food,
get
Cook.
food,
cooked food,
cook food.
and this food
And this food,
I'm taking it
I'm taking it
not for
not for
entertainment
entertainment
or make myself
or make myself
play with,
play with,
but
but
for the requirement of my body.
for the requirement of my body.
I'm taking this
I'm taking this
to
to
to eliminate this hunger.
this hunger.
I'm taking this,
I'm taking this,
and
and
because of this food,
because of this food,
what energy I will get,
what energy I will get,
I will use it for
I will use it for
gaining the knowledge
gaining the knowledge
and spreading the
and
knowledge,
spreading the knowledge,
and no
and no
other
other
suffering should
suffering should
cause me
cause me
without food,
without food,
and I will live
and I will live
a happy and peaceful life.
a happy and peaceful life.
Sadhu.
साधु साधु साधु
Sadhu.
सब साधु साधु बोलो
So now you had got the pabajja, the ordination, and now you have become same. What name you have thought of? Some name?
गुड नेम
Okay. We call you Thammasarojano.
सामनेरी
Samaneri Thammasaroja. Okay. A lotus of temple, Dhamma. A lotus of Dhamma. Okay. So I'll ask you a question.
Samaneri.
Say my name is.
Oh, my sorry. My name is Samaneri Dhammasaroja.
What is your name?
Repeat.
हाँ
Yeah.
My name is Samaneri Dhammasaroja.
What is your name?
My name is Samaneri Dhammasaroja.
Say sadhu.
साधु साधु
Okay. Now 3 times bow and finished.